When a new family moves into the neighborhood, people often wonder, who are they? What is their occupation? How will they fit into the community? Well, Yder is just like a new family that has settled in the towns and villages around Cadarache. And this family, said Yder Director General Ikeda on Monday, December 7th, wants to establish a trusting and transparent relationship with its neighbor. Kaname Ikeda was addressing the members of the newly established CLI, the Yder Local Commission for Information. The mission of the CLI is to monitor the activity of the Yder installation and to act as an interface between the Yder organization and the local population. Under French law, a CLI is an independent body whose members are appointed by the president of the department. It is composed of local politicians, representatives of environmental groups, trade unions, businesses, and health professionals. The president of the Yder CLI is Roger Pizot, mayor of Saint-Paul-les-Durance. The CLI expresses the right of its citizens to freely access information that is dependable. In his address to the CLI, Yder Director General Ikeda defined the Commission as an opportunity for mutual understanding, a place where any question can be asked and all answers provided. The first meeting between the CLI and Yder last week marked the beginning of a partnership that will last for the whole duration of the Yder project.